Mabel, for your information, this is a database schema. Okay, this is just a high level schema. I will explain you each and everything. Okay, based on that you can create your database. So see, at the high level we have the movies, TV shows or whatever, and for each and every movies there is a one to many pages. So you have more than one page, and for each and every page you have a more than one content. So one page has more than one content, so it's a many to many relationship over here. And then finally for each every content you have x-axis, y-axis, and then height and width. That is a one-to-one relationship. Now, so here at the high level, this is a movie table that we already have. So there is a movie ID, a movie's name, and then the categories and blah blah information. So you have to add one extra field as a page ID. Okay, so this is a one-to-many relationship with movies and page tables. So in the page tables, you have a page ID, page name, and some few more information depends on the requirement. And then you have a many-to-many relationship between the page tables and the content tables. So to map this content tables and the page tables, so here is a many-to-many relationship. So this is a page and content mapping tables. So where you have to put the page ID as well as the content ID. So in the page tables, the basic information like a page ID, page name and all. And in the page content mapping, so both the IDs, page tables IDs as well as your content tables IDs you should keep here. Okay, so then it's coming to that content tables page. So in the content table page, you have a content ID, content name, and then configurations IDs. So configurations ID is nothing but that X, Y, Z, X axis, Y axis, and height and width. So then the content tables and the configuration table is one-to-one mapping. So for each and every content, you have a configurations, one configuration. So where the configurations ID, X axis, Y axis, width and height. So this is a high level. So I mean it's a high level, but it's the final database schema. So just you have to add attributes if required, or if you have any questions, okay, let me know. So directly you can create tables like page tables, give that page IDs and then the page name. Then you can create a content tables, and then you can create the configurations tables, and then you can create your page content map where you can map your page tables and content tables. So that's a high level of database designed for the multilingual. So this is there. Okay, so